And the most important thing.
I like that.
What up, folks? We hit 100 subscribers. Thank you for everybody that has hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to share with you 3 things that I've learned along this journey about making content. First, know your value proposition. Why are people coming to your channel? Right, so the majority of folks are coming to this channel for motorcycle content. And because of that, I'm moving all of the art-centered design, drawing, that type of content to my second channel called Charade Design. Link in the description. So if you're here for that type of content, check out my other channel. That's where all the art madness is going down from here on out. So check that out, Charade Design. But know your value proposition and deliver on it. That's the first thing I've learned. Second, preparation matters. Right? Take notes, create bullet points, do a storyboard if you need to, but think about the content you're going to make before you flick the camera on. It's important to help, at least for me, it helps me to ensure that the content I'm creating is delivering on the value proposition, right? And that it's well organized and watchable. An ounce of preparation is worth a pound of cure, right? So do the prep work prior to starting your content. And the most important thing that I've learned so far is to do what you love. And that sounds silly, but if I didn't love motorcycles, if I didn't love riding and everything that it represents, freedom, the open road, community, I would have stopped making videos 45 videos ago. And if you're still here, like and subscribe, leave a comment. We're on a mission for 1 million and you're here first. Catch you next time.